Hey everybody, welcome back. Hey, I know everybody's been printing this Deadpool mask, but I had something else in mind. Obviously, I printed it also. So I got this mask from Nikko Industries, and this is Spawn, and this is their second version of it. It's more detailed and textured, which is way better than the first one that they did, and I'm happy with the results. Check it out. So you want to see more content like this, besides my models that I print, and I do still do those and love them, but I still have FDM printers that I want to get working. So if you like this, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see y'all soon. Peace out.